The ultimate instant smile Comfort Fit Flex reviews tutorial from 0 to Pro in 1 minute. If you're looking for a quick way to improve your smile, most people get this wrong by relying on poorly fitting dental appliances. The surprising truth about Instant Smile Comfort Fit Flex is that it's designed for easy, comfortable and realistic results without lengthy dental visits. First, choose your size. You won't believe how many options there are for different mouth shapes. Measuring carefully ensures a snug fit and natural appearance. Next, prepare and fit. Most people get this wrong by skipping the instructions. The kit comes with a moldable tray that softens in warm water. Bite gently and adjust to your teeth until it feels secure and comfortable. Read reviews before purchase. The surprising truth is that real users report improved confidence and a natural look when used consistently. Some mention minor adjustments for optimal comfort, which helps avoid disappointment. Finally, care and maintenance. You won't believe how easy it is. Rinse after use, store in a clean case, and avoid harsh chemicals. Proper maintenance prolongs life and keeps your smile looking fresh. In conclusion, Instant Smile Comfort Fit Flex can take you from 0 to Pro in achieving a natural, comfortable smile at home. By selecting the right size, following fitting instructions, reviewing feedback, and caring for your appliance, you'll enjoy an effective and convenient solution for enhancing your teeth. Consistency and proper use make all the difference.